Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use a Zangi virtual number for WhatsApp. Using a Zangi number is a great way to try registering WhatsApp without giving out your personal phone number. A virtual number is basically a phone number that works entirely through the internet, rather than a physical SIM card. This is super useful if you want to protect your privacy, create temporary accounts, or just try out WhatsApp safely. So, let's start. First, you need to install the Zangi Messenger app. You can find it on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once the app is installed, go ahead and create a Zangi account if you don't already have one. If you already have an account, just log in and you're good to go. After logging in, access the virtual number feature inside the app. Zangi will give you a number that you can use to register on WhatsApp. Make sure to copy this number, because you'll need it in the next step. Now, open WhatsApp on your phone and paste the virtual number that Zangi gave you. WhatsApp will then try to send a verification code. Instead of receiving it on a physical SIM card, the code will appear in your Zangi app. So, open Zangi again, copy the OTP code that WhatsApp sent, and paste it back into WhatsApp. And that's it! Your WhatsApp account is now set up using your Zangi virtual number. Let's quickly go over some advantages and disadvantages. On the positive side, using a Zangi number protects your personal phone number, is useful for temporary accounts, and helps maintain online privacy. On the downside, not all virtual numbers work with WhatsApp. Some may require payment, and occasionally, verification may fail, so it's good to have a backup number just in case. Overall, using a Zangi number is a simple and effective way to keep your personal phone number private while still enjoying all the features of WhatsApp. You can use it for temporary chats, online signups, or even testing purposes if you're learning how WhatsApp works. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.